How do you replace a variable with a number? Let's return to our example with the bags of candy. You did not know how many pieces of candy there were in each bag, but you knew there was an equal amount in each bag. You used the letter C to represent the number of pieces in one bag. You might also remember that 3 candy bags were written as 3C, meaning 3 times C. You now look into a candy bag and you can see that there are 8 pieces inside. So, how many pieces are there in 3 candy bags? 3 times C is now equal to 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 is equal to 24. There are 24 pieces of candy in 3 candy bags. If there were 10 pieces in each bag, there would be 30 pieces in 3 bags. Notice how you can replace the variable with a number. You can use this method in larger expressions to check if you simplify the expression correctly. Let's study the example from the last video. You found that x plus 2x squared plus 3x minus x squared was equal to x squared plus 4x. It's possible to replace x with a number in each expression. If the expressions prove to have the same value, it means they are truly equal. If not, you must have made a mistake. Let's try setting x equal to 3. X plus 2x squared plus 3x minus x squared. Here, we replace x with 3, and now we have 3 plus 2 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 3 squared. Remember that the order of operations tells you to calculate exponents before you do multiplication. So, 3 squared equals 9 in both terms. Next, you do the multiplication. 2 times 9 equals 18, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Finally, you combine the terms. 3 plus 18 equals 21, 21 plus 9 equals 30, and 30 minus 9 equals 21. Now you replace the x with 3 in the final expression. 3 squared plus 4 times 3. 3 squared equals 9, and 4 times 3 equals 12. 9 plus 12 equals 21. You ended up with the same value, meaning both expressions are equal. When you replace a variable with a number, you remove the variable and insert the number. Remember the order of operations when you calculate the expressions.